How to remove the brush bar on your Vax Air Vacuum Cleaner for cleaning. Remove the 3 screws on the side of the vacuum cleaner. Once you remove the screws, the cover will come off like so, exposing the belt. What you then do is pop off this cover. That comes off, keep that safe. So with the belt, you just rotate the belt as you lift it upwards to free it from the brush bar. Like so, and then that will come off. You can now remove the brush bar by lifting upwards. And there you go. So be sure to clean this brush bar to the best of your ability. Make sure that this end cap spins, because sometimes there's hair that gets stuck in here, stopping the brush bar from spinning freely. And take note of these 2 parts. So once you clean your brush bar, make sure that this square shape here corresponds with that square shape over there when you're fitting it. Now for the tricky part, grab this piece and that piece. It should go like that on the brush bar. So that goes on the upper half, right in that big gap over there. So that's locked into there, and this goes on the other end. So I push that down, lining up with these screw holes, push that down, and at the same time you make sure that the square part that I mentioned earlier fits into there. So you know it's done when that's in there flush with no gaps, in perfectly fine, and that the brush bar can spin freely like that, and it doesn't wobble on this end. Put on your belt on the motor shaft first, so that's the motor shaft or the spindle, so you put it on there first, stretch it over one side of the circle of the brush bar, so stretch it there and then slowly rotate as you go along, and then that's on. Give it a few turns so you know it's not jammed. Now that the belt is fitted, you need to put on this piece. Now the way you do it is that this center hole needs to go directly on the bearing that you see there. So because the belt is pulling tension of the brush bar that way, we'll need to get a screwdriver to stick that in there and slowly pry it very slightly that way, like that, so that the piece that we're trying to fit goes on securely like that, and now you can let go. Refit your final piece. Screw up the 3 screws. Congratulations, you've successfully managed to remove your brush bar, clean it and refit it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment below if I helped you, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.